it severely kills the creativity and makes human brain a dull-witted, ma'am. The reason is, I feel there are many reasons for that. Of them, I would like to point out a few of them, ma'am.
Yes, please.
First, basically the Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or Instagram, etc., they are used only for spreading an information very fast to each and everyone, ma'am. The main purpose of this is only to spread the message virally, very fast. Only for this purpose they have used the Facebook and WhatsApp, but now as the generation start to develop, it became an addiction to each and every individual, so that they started to use this in a wrong, and they start to mislead themselves. They're using those in a wrong manner. Besides in olden times, we are all aware of playing games and sharing our information with our friends, and we used to speak very boldly. But due to awareness of this Facebook and WhatsApp, we just type the message and send in a short manner. For example, if we want to say good morning, we just say GMRNG, that's it. So as a result of this, we even feel difficult to speak with an individual face to face for even 2 minutes.
Yes.
That's the main problem we face currently, ma'am. And even as a result of this, especially the children around 7 to 8 ages, they even don't respond to their parents because they are tremendously addicted to this Facebook and WhatsApp, ma'am.
So, Sundareshwar, in what way do you think that it is killing the creativity of an individual?
Ma'am, if we get just addicted to that, where we get a chance to speak, or where we get a chance to express ourselves in before the society, ma'am. If we just use the internet continuously, then where's the platform we use?
Okay. Correct. So you agree with it that all these apps are only for communicating purpose?
Not for not it should be used only for an important purpose, but it doesn't make us to become addicted to that. That's what I would like to say, ma'am.
Yes, you're correct. You shouldn't get anything addicted to it.
Yes,
Addiction
ma'am.
is very dangerous. You shouldn't get addicted to it.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sundareshwar. Any more points you would like to share with us?
Last point, ma'am. If we use any app or any application in a correct manner, it becomes boon, ma'am.
Okay, Sundareshwar. Nice talking to you. Now, next Surya is ready. I think Surya.
Hello, ma'am.
Girls also, please be ready.
Ma'am,
Yes,
good
Surya,
morning.
please start. Good morning,
I
Surya.
hope you can hear me.
I can hear you very well. Please speak up.
Ma'am, my answer is it's absolutely not, ma'am. Because all these platforms are more absolutely addictive. It depends upon the way that we use it.
Okay.
It's a genuine answer, ma'am. Because by characterizing these apps, Facebook is a show-off platform, ma'am. And WhatsApp is a communicative app. Except these two apps, Instagram is the best platform to develop this creativity, because there are many pages in Instagram for developing our creativity, side of developing our VFX knowledge or editing knowledge. Even we can learn English through Instagram, because there are many pages where they are showing how to pronounce a word through memes. Because it depends upon the way we like those images, because it's depend on us. If you like something sarcastic memes, it shows only sarcastic memes. It depends upon us. If we like some knowledgeable content, it shows knowledgeable content. I hope you can understand it, because how can I say?
Yes, I understand.
Yes,
you mean to say that? You mean to say
Instagram
that
is
the way we carry out things, it depends a lot,
yes,
isn't it?
Yes. It's absolutely correct, ma'am. Because if you like those pages, the pages we follow, it develops our creativity. If we just follow the meme pages, it doesn't matter. We can't see in that way, ma'am.
Okay.
And next one is Twitter. Twitter is just like a news channel. We can view or we can know what point of view the celebrities are in. We can also, how can I say? he can also get many informations through it because it's an open source. The celebrities can share their
Directly, they are sharing the information in Twitter.
information, but
Yeah.
they need some grammatical knowledge because their words are very complex and we don't have that much knowledge to understand. That's why, but they are not good. If we use it in excess manner, it's a danger. We should not addict to it, but we should use it in a useful manner. That's my point of view, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice, Surya. Whatever you use in a very purposeful way. That
Yes,
is it.
ma'am. We should use it in a time limit. Yes,
Correct.
ma'am. That's. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya. Next, Pranay. Pranay, are you ready to speak?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pranay.
Am I audible to me, ma'am?
Yes, Pranay, you're audible.
Ma'am, in my point of view, both are equal, ma'am. I can't say I will agree and I can't say that I won't agree because it is have equal chances. This will give information and it makes addictors. So everything has a limit. We should not cross the limit. WhatsApp is used for faster communication. For distant communication, we use WhatsApp only. We can't talk with other states, man, like USA, etc., etc. So we should not cross our limits. Everything has a limits. Facebook will give creative videos for everything. But we should not mislead that. I can't say yes, I can't say no also, ma'am. Everything it has 50-50 chances, that's all.
Okay. Nicely spoken, Pranay. But in some countries, WhatsApp is banned, then Facebook is not there. In some countries, it is there, isn't it?
Maybe, ma'am, but up to other source will come, we have to use that only. WhatsApp is they work only on communication with other states.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pranay. Thank you for your information. Now I want girls to participate. All the girls keeping very quiet, but I will not leave anybody of you. You have to answer. Yesterday I was calling out Swati, but Swati didn't respond at all. You didn't speak also. Swati, please break your silence. Would like to hear from you. Swati G, 4th year. Can you hear me, Swati? Any girls ready? Nasreen, you asked me for the topic to repeat once more. I hope you're ready. Nasreen, Mahalakshmi, Shrishti, Pavitra, Gayatri. So many girls are there. I want the girls to speak now. Then next again the boys will speak. Be ready.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? I'm Swati, ma'am.
Yes, Swati, you're audible. Come on, speak.
Yes, ma'am. Like Instagram, Facebook, everything, it will always decrease our creativity, ma'am.
Okay.
Because we are spending more time in them, and then we are just killing our creativity by spending most of the time in Instagram. And as he said, Instagram is, yes, ma'am. In Instagram, we just there are so many pages that give creativity, but we will not we will just watch, ma'am. We will not try it in our home. So I think it's we are just watching and we are just playing some videos. So it will not bring creativity, ma'am. It will always kill the creativity.
But he said that in Instagram you can create videos. There are many pages that you follow where you can create your own things. He said.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't use Instagram, so I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Ma'am, I'm using Instagram, ma'am. I will watch videos. I will see all the pages. Like it will create, ma'am. It will create but we will not create in our home, ma'am, for ourselves.
Everything will be there. You have to select and just copy and paste, isn't it?
Yes,
that's what I'll do.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. We can see things like we can see every videos like that, and we will as a human being, I will not create in my home. I will just see for my self entertainment. So I don't. So I will create in home. So it will absolutely decreasing, ma'am.
Yes, that is there.
And creativity in my individual, I think, ma'am, I will not create in my home. Like I will not create anything from Instagram. I'm seeing that because I want to do it in my home. It will not create, ma'am. I'm just using social media just to entertain myself and just to uh, chill myself.
You mean to say that you cannot do anything manually, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Manually, you
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
create things on your own. Like in the school days, the teacher, the art
Yes,
teacher, they will
ma'am.
give a piece of paper and they will ask us to pour our creativity in the paper.
Yes, ma'am.
We can't do
I
like
won't
that.
take a
Yes.
paper and I won't create anything. I won't draw from Instagram. Like
Mm.
I don't do anything
Yes.
from Instagram. I will just see that and I will just scroll it.
Okay.
And then I will just move on to next thing, move on. I don't have Twitter, ma'am, so I don't know anything about Twitter.
Okay.
So that's my point.
Okay. Thank you, Swati. When I don't have Instagram and I don't know anything about Instagram, so I'm learning from you people. Thank you,
Thank
Swati.
you.
Okay,
Thank you.
now I want some more girls to participate, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Gayatri. Yes, who is that?
Guru Shanti, ma'am.
Guru Shanti. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Come on, speak up. What do you want to say, Guru Shanti?
These all social media are decreasing the creativity
Okay.
because of social media. We are not thinking.
We are not able to think, isn't it?
We are not thinking of our own.
Then? Then? Before 25 years, we all used to go to the library to search.
Ma'am, audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Come on, speak, Guru Shanti. Are
Ma'am?
you having any network issue at your home?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Guru Shanti. Speak. Is she there, Guru
Ma'am,
Shanti?
am I audible?
Now you're audible. After saying this, your voice is disappearing, Guru Shanti.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
problem?
Breaking, ma'am.
Okay.
Network problem.
Okay.
Because of social media, we are not thinking of our own. If anyone says something, we are searching for Google or YouTube videos for saying answer.
Yes. People, they are just
And we are-
craving on Google to get the answers, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And some are using for good thing also, learning new things.
Good only.
Yes, we are learning new things from the social media also, ma'am.
Okay. What have you
should
learned so
not-
far on social media, Guru Shanti? Can you just share just one or two things what you have learned so far from social media? Good things.
If anyone, if a new thing I don't know the meaning, I will search in Google
Okay.
to collect the answers.
Okay. To get the answer. Okay.
Get the answer. If I'm not get the proper meaning, if a new word, what is that means to why we should use that we should use in that word, like all this.
Okay, Guru Shanti.
We should not waste our time in social media also.
Yes.
We should use in a useful way.
You should use in a very useful way. Very nice to hear these lines from you people. Okay. Then next, any girls? That's all, Guru Shanti. You want to speak else? Something else? You want to add a few more
That's
points?
all, ma'am.
That's all, Guru Shanti.
That's
Thank you
all.
so much. Thank you for responding.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Girls, any girls are ready? Girls, boys? Many are here, didn't speak. Anbarasi Kumar. I don't know, students, whether it is your name or your parents' name, but I'm calling out the name. Anbarasi Kumar, then Aravind Raj, BNS Kavi, Harshit Kumar, Ravistan, Sivaneshan, Deep Sharma, Devi M, G. Pavitra, Gayatri Darsha, Jay Chandran, Karthik, Abhish, Kavita, Lavanya. Please be ready. So many are there. See, all are quiet now. I don't like the class to be quiet. It has to be, classroom has to be noisy. Speak. You speak wrong also, you speak. Something you speak. At least one line also you can speak. Come on, students. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. BNS Kavi. Yes. BNS Kavi, can you speak up? BNS Kavi, can you hear? Can you listen to me? But many are having network issue. I think Harshit Kumar has sent a message that he is having a network issue. Gayatri is ready to speak. Gayatri Darsha. Gayatri, can you please speak up?
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Gayatri.
Can you audible, ma'am?
Yes, ma, you're audible.
Ma'am, in my point of view, the social media kills the creativity, ma'am.
Yes. In what way you feel like that, Gayatri?
By using all social medias like Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, we cannot create anything in that, ma'am. We can see only what they are created and what the memes they are created, and we have to scroll, and we have if we like that, we can like it, we can share it, but we cannot create anything in that, ma'am.
Okay.
Our creativity spoils there, ma'am. And a new generation what becomes it mostly using mobile phones, like a small boy to a old man, all are there in social media, ma'am. By my nearby home, small boy also is using Facebook, Instagram, but no one can get any knowledge from that, ma'am. By using the memes, by using the post, by sharing that post, they cannot get anything from that. So I think that it's killing our creativity, ma'am.
Yes, it is that. It is sure that it is great. It is killing our creativity, but at the same time, it is good also. Now, everything has got a good face and a bad face. The good things, we have to take up the good
That may
things.
be equal, ma'am. But I think that the small boys we can be avoid that social medias. Above the youth ages can be, but the overusage might be killing, ma'am.
Yeah, and there's one school over here. It's a very famous school. I would not like to mention the name of the school. In that school, it's a rule. I mean, I don't know whether the teachers they know or they don't know, but it's a rule among the students that they have to have an Instagram account. Only then the peers, I mean the other classmates, they will not make fun of the others.
The age group also below 10.
Yes. Actually, they use their parents' age. You can manipulate your age in the social media also, no? They can give as 18 also,
Yes,
and they can
ma'am.
join Facebook. So it is there. I mean, they are destroying the creativity. It is there. Okay, and it is very, it is a very hard feeling to see that small children they are using the social media. It is very, it's a very
Using the
hard
mobile
feeling.
phone, social media.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. There is no knowledge in that, ma'am. That's what my point.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Now let us see that. Thank you, guys. Let us see what this new education policy will bring in us. I hope that when we used to study in school, weekly once we will have the art and craft period. We were asked to sew things, sew clothes, make embroidery, but everything is gone now. Okay. Okay, next, Kavi, BNS Kavi. Would like to speak? BNS Kavi, then Aravind Raj, Anbarasi Kumar, Harshit Kumar. If you don't speak today, Yuvashri, please speak up.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Yuvashri.
From my point of view, it has both advantages and disadvantages in a equal quantity, ma'am.
Okay.
Because disadvantages means those days we used to call our grandparents and wish them for their birthday and any religional occasions. But nowadays we are just chatting with them that even for wishing birthday wishes, we just chat that wishing you a happy birthday. So this destroys our relationship, ma'am. We are getting away from them by using these social medias.
That is there. People used to write lines, poems, and all to wish their loved ones, to wish their friends. But nowadays, everything is there, handy, isn't it? In the form of templates, in the form of message and quotes. They get everything in hand. That is there. Okay, Yuvashri. And what are the advantages you want to say?
Advantages means in this lockdown time also we are able to improve our knowledge using YouTube and other things. And one more thing, if you want to join in a new policy or something else, we can get the experience of our elders and others using this Facebook and Instagram, etc. If we want to start a new thing, we can get idea from them. Those who are already in that field. So that will be able to improve our knowledge before getting into any new thing.
Okay. Okay, Yuvashri, thank you for speaking. Spoke well. Now, BNS Ravistan, I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. BNS Ravistan, are you ready to speak? Then Sivanation, Deep Sharma, Devi, Pavitra, Hannah Smith, Jay Chandran, Kartik Abish. Yes, Mahalakshmi, speak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mahalakshmi.
Ma'am, I think it depends on the person, ma'am. Who uses it in a good way, it uses them in a good manner. And if they use it in a bad way, it makes them decrease their creativity, ma'am. Actually, on increasing side, I think it increases, ma'am. It doesn't decrease. Because if a person using Instagram, Facebook, etc., we have many videos, we have many platforms to create our own identity, and we have many advantages in using those apps. But a person uses it, a person wants to make its identity an individual, create anything. A person should use it in a good way. If they use it in a good way, they could increase their creativity. But if many on this time, many are using it in a bad way. Like they're just watching and they're just scrolling off, as before someone said. And I think it increases, ma'am, because we have many inspirational videos which inspires, and we could see now many women perform very well in their careers, platforms through videos. In that, if 100 women watches it, at least 10 women come in front to perform to open their courage and to open their talents. I think it creates the creativity. Not everyone could decrease, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice
So on
spoken.
point of view, it increases, ma'am.
Very good, Mahalakshmi. So even I feel the same thing. See, if everything has got two sides, a good side
Yes,
and a bad side. And my suggestion would be that take up the good side and avoid the bad side. That
bad
is what.
side.
Yes, Srishti, please speak. Thank you, Mahalakshmi. You spoke really very well. Srishti?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, am I audible? Can you hear
Yeah,
me,
very
ma'am?
much. Speak.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Srishti. Speak.
Ma'am, what I feel is that it is very important for us for communication as well, but it also has the bad sides, ma'am. But it depends on the person. But in Instagram, if you see, there are many people, young entrepreneurs who express their websites, and even young women entrepreneurs, people from rural areas. Everyone have done something so great, and they have established it on social medias. So when we follow their websites or when we are in Instagram and we use that, we come to know about them, and it is like an inspiration for us when we see such young entrepreneurs and such young people who bring so much change in the world. It is like an inspiration for us. We get to know so much more about the world from that. So I feel it is a stage for inspiration and where we can learn more. There are also bad side effects for that. There are many unwanted pages and memes, but there are also ways where we can make it more useful.
Okay, Srishti spoke very well. So you mean to say that social media is a very good platform for aspiring entrepreneurs, correct?
Yes, ma'am, and it is also a very easy way, available way for us to learn so much more. Apart from our career or our studies, it is readily available for us to know it from a very large point of view and a broader view. But there are also issues which make us get addicted in that. It is up to us to decide, ma'am. Even when there was no social media and when there were libraries, there were people who used it to read useful books, and there were also people who used it to read comics and such like that. So what I feel is it depends on the person how we choose.
Very good. Nicely spoken, huh? In the age of library also, yes, you're correct. People, they used to read good books also and bad books also. Yeah. Depends upon the mentality and ideology of the people, how they use it. Isn't it, Srishti? Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
Srishti. Spoke very well. Now next we have Ramya.
Thank you,
Ramya
ma'am.
is going to speak. Thank you. Ramya. Ramya, are you there? Ramya. Well, students, we will continue the same topic tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be learning one more new grammar topic. And then, okay, Ramya, we will have tomorrow. Okay, the same topic we will continue tomorrow. Today only a few have spoken. Many have to speak yet. So we will continue the same topic tomorrow. Okay. So please be ready. Please be ready with the topics. With the topic I gave you today, we'll continue with the same topic. Tomorrow, same thing. We'll have a different grammar topic to learn, and then some vocabularies, and then this topic we'll discuss. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Desikan sir, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. They're already saying, they are already coming the message, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for cooperating, showing the slides and all. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great day, students.